up, man. Hold up, man.
For what? She saw him tempted,
Count
but she
to
never felt threatened.
3 real slow.
Until
No, 3, 2, 1. Count down.
and Clementine worried for her personal safety.
Tracy. Come here.
Big break the bank. Strap sliders, including new size.
Ever since I met you, I knew God had great plans for us. From 2007 to right now on this day. It's been a great blessing. And I want 2016 to be a new chapter in our lives. And I want you to be in it with me. So in front of your family and with the blessing from your mother.
Me too.
Will you make me the happiest man in the world? And do me honors and marry me?
Y'all gonna act like this today. What's wrong with y'all? What is going on?
Treva, let me bite the ring.
Hey, man.
Let me bite the ring, Treva.
Y'all ain't hurt.
Trying to watch your
Y'all cutting up like this and stuff on
Don't that hand look cute? Don't that hand look cute?
Man, y'all don't give nobody no privacy. Y'all all up in their faces.
Woo!